Module 7, Lesson 19, Cones and Spheres. Now, even though this lesson is only on cones and spheres, I want to also review for you the formula for a cylinder. So if we have a cylinder and we want to find the volume to that cylinder, if you recall, we're going to take the area of the base, which would be a circle, so pi r squared, times the height of the shape. So in this case, we would take pi times 5 squared times 10. You can put that in your calculator and see what you get. The volume would be whatever that multiplies out to be, cubed, centimeters cubed. Volume is always cubed. Okay, so let's see, this would be 785.4 centimeters cubed. Now, for cones and spheres, which is what we're looking at, if we are trying to find the volume of a cone, they're going to try and fool you sometimes by giving you this slanted height rather than this vertical height in here. So if they tell you this slanted height, which would be the same over here, now let's look at this little separate triangle here. If they tell you this number, and they tell you this number, but they don't tell you this number, how are you going to calculate what that number is? How would you be able to figure out what that missing side here is? Well, you should be able to use the Pythagorean Theorem and find this missing side for your height. Now remember, just in case you forgot, the formula for volume is 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times height. But you might have to calculate that height. All right, here's a sphere. Formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And again, there may be some cases where they try and have you calculate the radius. So you'll have to look and see what they have there and actually go through the process of using probably the Pythagorean theorem again to calculate what the radius would be. So good luck.